Does stepping into bright light make you sneeze? That's called ACHOO Syndrome, and you're one of the 18 to 35% who have it. This photic sneeze reflex happens because your optic nerve and trigeminal nerve are neighbors. When light floods your eyes, the signal gets scrambled. Your brain misinterprets it as nasal irritation and boom, sneeze attack. Research in PLOS Genetics confirms it's a genetic trait passed through families. Totally harmless, just a funny neurological glitch. If mom or dad sneezes in the sun, you likely inherited it. Mystery solved. Like this video, share with your light sneezing crew, and subscribe to The Pain Story for more science explained simply.